Okay, let's just cut right to the chase. I have tried to film this video 5 times now, and I keep stopping and deleting them whenever I'm editing because I need to stop being a fake hoe. You know, because I'm like, oh my god, I'm so funny. I need to be funny. I need people to like me. Because I'm just kidding. I don't need validation. Okay, maybe I do. But I keep wanting people to like me for some reason. And like, I'm being fake. Well, ASMR segment right there. So, I need to stop being fake. I need to be me. Because like, you're not gonna like me if you don't know the real me. And I feel like that's how it is like with a lot of scenarios, right? I don't really know what I'm talking about. I need to plug in my mirror. I tried to film this video doing an Antonio Garza makeup tutorial, but I've given up on that dream. Now I'm going to just do an Instagram look because I've seen it like 8 times and I feel like it's not that hard. And I feel like I could finesse the system and get it done. So, we're not going to be fake this video. We're going to be our real true selves. We're going to be one. And we're going to get this done. Hold on a minute. I sound so depressed. Okay. Hold on. I'm in the middle of eating 2 burritos. Okay, so the look I have is this one. It looked pretty simple because it gives you step-by-step instructions, but I'm gonna cheat, or I'm not gonna cheat. I'm gonna cheat myself, and I'm not gonna look at the instructions, and I'm gonna do both eyes and possibly go blind. But it's okay. We're not complaining. I feel better. I also have to hurry because my phone's almost out of storage. In the picture, they had tape. And the only tape I have is double-sided tape. That's disgusting. I'm not putting that on my face. I feel like I just had plastic surgery. Okay, so the thingy had a wing and then an eye, ball. It went up to like right there. So it says it starts out with red, and the only red I have is really super dark. I don't know if you can see that. It's like really super dark. But oh well, we're just gonna pack it up in there. Then it's orange. There's blue in my orange. I mean, do what you want, but it's not my style. And then it's yellow. Yes, I'm aware I'm using the same brush for everything. But like, I'm lazy and I don't really do eyeshadow, so this is like one of the only makeup brushes I own. Like this video if you want me to redo the video I did where I followed Antonio Garza's makeup look. Because trust me, it was just, I just wasn't feeling it. I was very off. The screen is not as bright as it looked in the package. Sorry if I'm being boring, but like I said, I'm not gonna be a fake hoe. This is the real me, and you're just gonna have to love me for the way I am. If you don't, it's your loss, not mine. Yeah, I know, I'm pretty good at blending colors. I took Art 1 my freshman year of high school, so I'm pretty skilled. Okay, I think I'm done with that one, and it says to mirror it underneath. So here we go. Let me just mirror this real quick and I'll be back. It looks pretty good if you ask me. I mean, honestly don't know why I'm not on the Instagram Explore page, but it's whatever. Forgot I was filming. Alright, now I'm gonna do the other eye. And I'll either get bored and start talking about something random, like I normally do, or I'll just see you whenever it's done. Okay, so it's summer. It's already July 2nd. Don't know how that happened. I thought it was still like December of 2018. I'm still stuck in like 2016. So like, I don't know where you guys are going, but like, stop it. Anyways, it's summer. Days are going by fast. School's starting up soon. I'm gonna be starting my junior year. Thank God. Anyways, Vangie is MIA. Don't know why, but like, I don't know what to do with my life because I can't talk to her because she's like off the grid. She's probably kidnapped or something. Not my fault, but anyways, like I have a few friends that I talk to, but like, it's not the same. Like, they don't get me. You just have that, you know, that one friend that like you share the same brain. Like, you know everything about them, they know everything about you. You could sneeze and they'll already say bless you like 10 seconds before you sneeze. Like, you're the same person. Yeah, that's me and Vangie. And like, all these other people don't know how to react, so don't know what to do. I'm losing my mind. I've been talking to myself more recently than usual. Yes, I talk to myself. If you don't talk to yourself, then go to the doctor because there's something wrong with you. I told someone I was talking to myself and they were like, you talk to yourself? I was like, yeah, I got a problem with it. Don't know what to tell you. Literally don't know what to tell you. Deal with it. Change the subject. I've been watching Riverdale recently. Like, I'm not done with season 3 yet, so don't spoil it. If you spoil it, I will come find you and kick you in the throat. But I've been into Riverdale, and Cole Sprouse is already like on my future husband list. Yes, I have a list. No, you will not find out who they are unless you ask me about it, and I will tell you. But we'll save that for another video. Anyways, I've now decided that I want a boyfriend who is a gang leader. Like, because they'll take care of you. No one's gonna hurt you because they will like beat them up and possibly kill them and steal their children. And that's what I want. And there are a couple goals. Like, yeah, they could be a jerk. They'll be a jerk to everyone else but you. And like, that's just really sweet to me for some reason. Don't know why, but it just is. So if you're a gang leader, and just hit me up. Just do it. Just hit me up and I'll be good. I don't know why. I just decided I want a gang leader boyfriend. The more I watch it, the more I decided, and it's settled. So, Mom, for Christmas, get me a gang leader boyfriend. Don't argue with me either. Just do it. Ugh. Nothing came out, but I felt it, and it felt good. So, I've been into astrological signs. I really be embarrassing like that. Wow. I just said that right. Probably not, but it's okay. I don't say many things right. Anyways, Vangie doesn't. Okay, Vangie says that like the horoscopes aren't real, and I totally disagree. Like, I'm everything that it says my sign is. I'm a Leo, Like, just don't argue with me about it, because I know I'm right and they are real, because I am one. And if you're telling me that I'm not real, then meet me in the back of an alleyway of a McDonald's and I will show you that I am a real person. I'm a real human being with feelings, and you can't top me because I'm superior. Okay, I kind of cleaned. Oh, it messed it up. I'll just add a color. These burritos are so good. Like, I don't know what's in it. I know there's beans and cheese and meat and onions and potatoes and bread, and like I need to add hot sauce to it, but it's so good. I'm gonna have heartburn later. It also says to add highlighter, but like I need to get rid of whatever I just put on my face. I'm gonna take this. And then I'm gonna rip this off. Ew, I'm scary. I don't know. Looks pretty similar if you ask me. I think I did a good job besides the stuff I put above my eyes. Like that, I could have done without that. Other than that, I think I did pretty good job. Here's what I'm about to do. I'm about to take this off. I'm gonna end this video, take this off, finish my burritos, and while I'm finishing my burritos, I'm gonna watch a video. Thank you for watching me mess up my face. I love all 48 of you, and if you want to become more than 48, then tell your friends. And if you don't have any friends, then I will be your friend. We are all friends here. You are all my friends. I now have 48 friends, and I love you all so much. Ew, it looks so bad. I now have 48 friends, and I'm so thankful for you all. If you didn't like this video, I'm sorry. Please give it a thumbs down if you did not like it. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Subscribe if you want to try these burritos, because they're pretty tasty. You can turn on the posted notifications, like the posted note. It's just what I think of whenever I hear it. So anyways, turn those on, because there's going to be more sassy content to come. Siblings, and I love you all so much. I'm going to finish this burrito and then have a heart attack and die. I love you.